Hi guys, for today's video I will show you how to enable dark mode on Instagram. So let's get started. First we need to go to Instagram applications and select your profile icon on the lower right side to go to settings, and then this three lines icon on the upper right side. So click it and then go to settings and privacy. So then scroll down and look for accessibility. So this one. Go to accessibility and you'll be able to two options, captions and dark mode. So if the Instagram app is not yet on dark mode, just select on dark mode. So I use a system default because you can able to use the system default. So if your system default on your mobile phone is already on dark mode, Instagram itself will be set to dark mode too. So no need to turn it on or off. So, and if your phone system default is not set to dark mode, you need to turn it on so that your Instagram applications or the page on your Instagram will be set to dark mode. And by the way, under settings privacy, you can search dark mode also on the search bar above, dark mode. So there you go. You'll be able to access dark mode right here directly. Or if ever you do not have this on your Instagram application features, you must go to your phone settings. So right now I'm using an Android phone. So go to settings so that I can set the system default of my mobile phone to dark mode. So go to display and brightness, and there you go. I can able to see to switch the system default to dark mode or to light mode. And if you're using an iPhone, just scroll your swipe to the upward from your home screen and look for your brightness and just press and hold brightness and select dark mode. So that's it. That's how you set dark mode on Instagram. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and updates.